Welcome to Busy Homesteading. Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Busybody on the homestead today, just observing all of the birds on my bird feeders. And we wasn't getting any action in the fall at all when we first moved here. I filled the bird feeders up with seeds and waited and waited and waited. And nobody came to have a snack. But now in the winter, the bird feeders are getting plenty of action. I just recently had to fill this one up again with seeds because they had eaten it all down. And look at there. And they'll go all the way up inside the little tiny finches. That is a finch. And they will be all the way inside the feeder. Yep. Feeders are getting some action. And just flew real close in front of me. Yes. On the homestead, bird feeders. I like to feed the birds. And it's something that brings me joy to watch all of the different types of breeds of birds that come to feed. And so this summer, I will be growing flowers that attract hummingbirds and getting a hummingbird feeder because I want to see the hummingbirds too. But right now, the little finches are out. Oh, there's a cardinal. I ain't getting too close. I just wanted to come see if I can get a close-up of y'all out here on the bird feeders. I love it. The bird feeders are getting action on the homestead, y'all. Woody woodpecker in the tree, pecking away. There he is, climbing up on the side, right there. There's two woodpeckers up there this morning. They were pecking, which caught my attention. There he is. There's two of them. Two woodpeckers. Woody woodpeckers pecking on the pine trees. We're out this morning, the woodpeckers. Hear that woodpecker pecking. Good morning, YouTube. Another morning of bird watching my bird feeders. And all of the birds who come to enjoy some seeds, some corn, and whatever else is up in there. There's a tiny little fish that's just been sitting there basically almost inside the hole, enjoying his fill of seeds and nuts. And not only do the birds enjoy, they create such a mess. I've even seen some of the little alley cats come sitting down on the ground there, eating seeds. I said, okay, the wild cats like seeds too. There's a cardinal on the ground right at the bottom. It's getting a little bit chilly again. You know, all of those milder days are leaving. And here comes frigid February. One last shot of frigidness before the spring can really come and bless us all. But yeah, the bird feeders are getting action, and I love watching the birds just to see what types of birds are out and coming to enjoy. Well, thank you for watching Busy Homesteading and my bird watching journal. Till the next time, take care. Bye.